Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the crew, subscribe, get notified for more videos just like this one. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Now, today we're going to be taking a look at a TurtleSkin case for the Samsung Galaxy. It's the Poetic TurtleSkin Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 10.4 in black. So this is a huge packaging. Shout out to Poetic. They also have one here with love from SF. Who's SF? I don't know. Samuel. What? Who's F? I don't know. Leave a response who you think SF is. San Francisco. San Francisco. That's SF. That's SF. Okay, so we have the case right here. Wow. This is crazy. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Number one, I noticed that this thing is super flexible. It's not like any case that I've ever used before. It's got this really flexible material to it, but it feels amazing. I love it. You can see the back of it looks like a turtle's shell, which is crazy. It has Poetic branding in the middle. And then we have a Poetic words down below. We get all the cutouts right here. You can see we have the speaker cutouts. We have the Type-C cutout. We have the microphone cutouts. Some holes here for breathing, and the camera cutout, and this cutout right here for the camera, or I think that is, I don't know what that is. But we have the power button right here and the volume rockers. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. This is really cool. I love the texture of this. This kind of feels like, I don't know. This is like a polyester material. It feels really soft to the touch. It's really soft touch. Very, you're not gonna get sick of using this. I can promise you that. So let's go ahead, pop all four corners in and see how easy. Oh, so yeah, that is for the camera cutout, because you can see it's like a silicone material. Kind of reminds me of like the texture of a balloon or something like that. But this is super soft. Did I put it on right? Yeah, I did put it on right, because you can see the camera hump at the top. This is like, wow, this feels almost like skin, which is crazy. So this definitely feels like a skin material, which is why I keep touching it. But shout out to Poetic. This is the case that they did send out to me. I definitely am appreciative for them for sending this out. The Poetic TurtleSkin Galaxy Tab A7 in black. Poetic products are designed from the ground up to protect every device from accidental drops and impact. Thin wrap around form, premium quality, and timeless design. So whenever you buy a product from Poetic, you're gonna expect really good design. It's gonna be premium materials every single time. And they did it again. They really did it again. Let me touch the power button. Okay, that felt good. Let's try the facial recognition. It's not matching up. Hold on. Oh, that was instantaneous. That was like right away. It has a really nice feel in the hand, and the case is sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's peeling off or anything like that. It feels really solid in the hand. I could definitely drop this right now, but I don't want to piss my neighbors off, because they're gonna be like, yo, what the hell is going on? But this has a really solid feel in the hand. Like I said before, it doesn't interfere with the top when I'm trying to scroll at the top. Let me turn the brightness all the way up. All your apps are right here. So it has the app tray. I love this tablet even more now, because it has protection, and it has these grips like right here where you can kind of grab into it and dig your nails right there. So when you're holding it like this, it's really sweet. And this thing does have the speakers are right here, so it emanates the sound from these little cavities right here. So let me play a song, because it has all four of those right there, but You can see it's at the top, not the side. So I kind of want to show you what I was talking about. So you can see if it blocks it or not, but I don't think it's gonna block it because they put that there for a reason. So let me. Oh yeah, that sounds loud as hell. All right, so yeah, the speakers are perfect. The camera's perfect right there. The grip is perfect. The feel in the hand is I'm sorry, it's perfect. I'm not even gonna be capping. It has a nice material in my hand. I definitely like the feel of this thing in the hand. The TurtleSkin case for the Poetic. Let me know what you guys think down below. But yeah, this is probably the best case I've ever experienced. It has a really good texture to it. Feels really premium. Definitely different than a lot of other cases, and that unique design on the back is crazy. This is nuts. So shout out to Poetic one more time. Hit the like button on your way out. Show your support, appreciation, and I'll get right back with you. Later, crew. Peace.